Hello, dear students, seventh graders. Let's start our biology course. Welcome to welcome to all guys for the fourth term. Um, Today we have a question, dear students. What are the excretion products of the plants? You can think 30 seconds or 1 minute and think about the question. It's a critical question. Okay, who can answer, guys? What are the excretion products of the plants? I will give you 10 seconds. Alright, I think it's enough. Okay, I think your answer was like that plants can produce water near the leaves or by the stems maybe, or plants can produce gases like carbon dioxide or oxygen maybe. Okay, you're right. But sometimes we forget about other things that they can excrete. For example, this is a leaf droplets. Uh, Also, if you wake up in the morning, you can see, we also call rasa, утренняя rasa, morning droplets of the leaves. Most of the plants can produce because when they absorb too much water, they produce these droplets, and also it helps for decreasing the temperature because they haven't got sweating process. It's the same with the sweating process, like when we do physical activities, sport time, play football with our teachers and tutors. We What we do 7A and 7B, we sweat. Yes, we produce sweat, and we decrease our temperature, body temperature, because we have stable temperature, body temperature 36.6, and we have to always uh, maintain this temperature. All right, let's continue. And the plants also produce these water droplets to decrease their temperature. This is a resin also. We call resin is smala. Uh, what kind of some kind of smala. Sometimes we call Russians call it sliza, for example, береза, for example, can excrete like березовые слезы like this, and also they березовый сок, but this is a little bit different, guys. It's a resin. It's also will become a solid after some minutes, and if the things inside here, some particles or small plants or small animals will freeze in these small big droplets. Okay, let's continue. As you understand, today our topic is importance of excretion. Importance, it's a маңыздылық, excretion, зәр шығару маңыздылығы, the importance of excretion. It's very important. Okay, how do you think why excretion is important for our body, for animals, and for plants? Well, I think a little bit, 10-15 seconds, guys. Okay, you are right. The importance of excretion, uh, it's very important because when we eat, we need uh, food materials, foodstuffs to stabilize our metabolism, to take energy. To take energy, we need these food stuffs. But when we eat food, the cell eats the food, the animals, the plants, and human eat the food. We also have to excrete mm, the metabolites, yes, that we don't know, and we do excretion. As somebody can sweat, somebody like a plant can excrete water, and for example oxygen gas. Okay, the today our aim is today you will describe the meaning of the excretion in living organisms. Um, Describe the meaning of excretion in living organisms. Мақсатымыз мағынасында зәр шығарудың тірі жануарлар тірі ағзаларда несін сипаттай алуы, зәр шығару жүйесінің не үшін керек екенін. Okay, key terms: homeostasis, photosynthesis. Бастапқы біздің сөздеріміз бүгін маңызды. Homeostasis, internal body balance. Internal body balance, for example, if our body temperature increases, we decrease with the sweat. If decreases our body temperature, we increase by the our hairs on the skin become straight, and heartbeats can increase also, and we will be very warm. Our body will be very warm. All right. Photosynthesis: the reacting of sunlight, carbon dioxide gas, and water in order to produce oxygen gas and sugar. It's a very big process in the plants, bacteria, and algae, and this is making sugars or making organic molecules by inorganic molecules. They absorb water and carbon dioxide and make big organic molecules like sugars and other things, and also produce oxygen for our breathing. It's very important process in the world. Okay, let's continue. Excretion. Excretion is process of removing waste products from the living organisms, as we explained before. Excretion helps to keep constant internal body balance, which is called homeostasis. Homeostasis in Kazakh will be гомеостаз. Бүкіл денедегі, бүкіл ағзадағы температураның стейбл болуы, стабильный болуы, қанның азалған кезде көбею, көбейген кезде азалуы дегендей да, сондай әр нәрсенің ортасы да баланста ұстау homeostasis дейміз. In all organisms, бүкіл ағзаларда бар, in plants, animals and human, bacteria, algae, in all organisms we can see homeostasis process. And excretion also helps to this process, homeostasis. Okay, excretion helps to keep osmotic pressure stable, excess metabolic waste. Excess metabolic waste, I think it's easy to understand. It's when we eat food, we also produce the waste, and this is also the same with the cell metabolic waste, and it can be small molecules, small water droplets. Also, when we breathe, we produce carbon dioxide. This is also metabolic waste. We produce sweat, and we go to toilet, big, small toilet. It's also metabolic waste. To keep osmotic pressure stable. Osmotic pressure, the water pressure in our body, давление воды, or osmotical давление, немесе осмотическое, osmotical қысым біздің жасушадағы. Ол да бізге өте маңызды. It's very important. Су. Әр жасушада бір определенное количество су болу керек, и ағзалары бұл osmotic pressure, stable болған көрсетеді. Okay, excretion in plants. Removing excess of water. So you give the water to plants, it's absorbed with the roots, and then it's excrete, yes, with the leaves, for example, with the stems, like small droplets of water. Carbon dioxide, oxygen. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, when the process of photosynthesis, it excretes the oxygen like waste, but then it will be needed, it will be needed to make cellular respiration, by the way. Sap resin leaf droplets. Sap resin leaf droplets, слиздер, резина, жаңағы смола, leaf droplets, да, жаңағы жапырақтың су тамшылары шығару сияқты. Okay, excretion in animals. Have excretory organs, like kidney, for example, most of the animals, and by the body, for example, like worms. Excretory organs, they produce, we have a kidney in our body, 2 kidneys. They also remove waste from our blood. Біздің почкамыздағы, біздің 2 почкамыз excretory organ, и ол қанды тазартады. Remove toxic metabolic waste, they remove toxic metabolic waste from our blood, because we eat everything, and we have to keep our blood, very clean. Produce sweat, decrease temperature. For example, we produce sweat, it's water, salts, and it's decrease our temperature. It's very good process for our body. Okay, now I have a question for you. How they work as excretory organs? Let's think about it. First, this one. What is this? In the first picture, in the second picture, in the third, fourth, 5, 6. You can make a pause. press the pause button and think about what are the organs this and what do they do. Do they participate in excretory system? Yes, in excretion. Come on, you will have make a pause for 20 or 30 seconds and think about it. Okay, the answers are: this is a kidney, yeah, this is a liver, this is a leaf, green leaf, this is a skin, this is a yellow leaf, this is a lung, yeah, what can we do? This is organs that also participate in excretion. You have to also write on comments maybe, or just think about it. Okay, it's up to you guys. Next, literacy question. Make a pause and answer this question, guys. Okay, 3 questions. Think about it also. It's very important questions. And your homework is to write terminology to your notebooks and make new sentences. Write new sentences for chapter 8.1. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye. Bye bye. See you later.